Hello everyone, I am Susan Zam. Today, I am not going to be talking too much. I just want to ask you a simple question. But before I ask that question, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel after watching this video and also drop your comments regarding the question I'm about to ask. This is my question to you. If you are a man and you catch your wife with your brother on your bed doing, doing, I mean, doing, you know what I'm talking about. Who is to blame? Your wife, your brother, or yourself? And if you are a woman and you catch your husband with your sister on your bed doing, 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 you know what I mean, right? Who will you blame? Your sister, your husband, or yourself? Remember, I am anticipating your comments. And remember to press that red button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. By God's grace. Bye for now.